This is a Wurlitzer DX. Originally was made in Chicago. This one came out of the 5 Mile Bar in Butte, Montana. It actually has 6 different rolls that plays 5 songs on each roll, and then it will rewind and start over again. And it actually plays a set of 2 sets of pipes in the back and then the piano. In the pumps down below here, you'll see that the pump basically has 2 pumps, one that makes the vacuum for the player part and one that basically makes the air pressure for the pipe organ pipes. This one was rebuilt in 2006 by a Mika group, which is people that collect player pianos. They took this on as a project. It was sent to Colorado Springs, where it took 2 years to rebuild it. So they've replaced all of it. It's got all new strings and all new hammers. It's a beautiful instrument.